Hi guys, welcome back to Chefe's kitchen. Hi, nice to see you again. Nice to see you. I'm sure you're happy to see me too, you know. Today's episode of Chefe's kitchen, we're actually getting back to the cooking because we've done 2 baking episodes and it's like, okay, cool, like this is Chefe's kitchen, not Chefe's bakery. We're gonna make something I don't actually have a name for. I'm pretty sure possibly I invented this recipe. I think I just mixed in a bunch of different recipes into one and then yeah, it will come to me. Because you know, it always comes to me, you know. I'm just gonna get straight into the video. Okay, ingredients: spaghetti, milk, some butter, cheese. We've got fiery cheese blend, 4 cheese blend, mozzarella and cheddar, diced chicken, chopped tomato. For seasoning now, you need pepper, salt, flour, Maggi cubes, all-purpose seasoning and chili flakes. I'm sure you're probably wondering what all these ingredients is gonna make. Me too, I don't know. It's like mac and cheese, pasta bake, spaghetti bake, cheesy chicken pasta. I think I'm gonna call it spaghetti a la, no, cheesy chicken spaghetti a la Chefe. Copyright. All right, now let's actually get into the preparation side of this, okay? Okay, so in true Chefe style, let's start by seasoning our chicken. Straight out of a packet, you need to wash this because germs. Wait, oh my god, I thought I would die. These are mini fillets. I have to cut them. Alright guys, I guess I have to cut my chicken, so cue the montage. And we're done. Now let's get seasoning. We're gonna season this with salt, NaCl, some sodium chloride. We're gonna add a Maggi cube, just 1, 2 if you're feeling a little bit spicy. Then we're gonna add all-purpose seasoning, crushed chili peppers. Did I actually powder or I don't know. Did I already? I didn't. We about to get real hot and spicy today. Seasoning done. I'm gonna use my hand today, but I'm gonna use a glove because touching chicken is actually disgusting. Salmonella, guys. Glove on. This is gross. I would usually use a spoon. You can actually leave this chicken to marinate overnight, but when you're in a rush, do you think anybody cares about marinating chicken? Nope. You know what? Let's add some garlic powder. Okay, here's some garlic powder. Alright, chicken seasoned. Okay, so now we're gonna get started on the spaghetti. Here I have a pot of water. Turn on the fire. Add some sodium chloride. We're gonna put the lid on it and let it boil. Okay, once that starts boiling, then we'll add the spaghetti. So now we're gonna make a cheese sauce. A really quick, easy, simple cheese sauce. You can't use this for mac and cheese. Don't listen to me. Mac and cheese, no, that one is top secret. But this is a really simple, easy cheese sauce. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna turn on the flame for this too. What we're gonna need to do, we're gonna add some butter. You don't wanna have too much butter because you know, cholesterol. But just enough butter, you know, we need it to be tasting. Let's add, I'm adding, honestly, again, this much, this is how much I'm adding. Into the pot we go. Let that melt down. Then we're gonna add a tablespoon of flour. I say a tablespoon, but I mean really however much you think will make it look good. Yeah. The butter is melted. You don't want it to drown, so you gotta work fast. So it's even boiling super quickly. I'm gonna add flour until it kind of thickens and kind of looks like sand. See, my butter's a bit too hot, don't be like me. Okay, so this is what I meant by starts to look like sand. It looks like wet sand. You want to add a little bit more flour. And now you mix it, and now it looks like wet sand. Then you add some milk until the butter and the flour kind of dissolve. Don't add it all at once. Go add it in it's like sections, but not sections. It's for like food and portions. That's it. Get to add it in portions. Just keep adding it until everything smooths out. As you can see, the sauce is nice and smooth now, almost-ish, kind of. It will smoothen out. Don't worry about it too much, okay? Don't stress your little brain, like, just don't worry about it too much. Honestly, nobody cares. Now we're gonna add le fromage. Omelette du fromage. Omelette du fromage. I'm gonna use the 4 cheese blend purely because this is my favorite blend of cheeses for cheese sauce. Let's add our cheese. You have to add a considerable amount of it for it to be a cheese sauce. I added half the packet. Okay, we're gonna add our spaghetti. I learned a really neat way of doing this when I was younger. Like you twist it like this and look. aesthetics, baby. You let that sit for a while, you're just gonna blend it all in. Like, you're gonna let it soften, then like mix it. Just mix it in. Let all that cheese melt. Get all that cholesterol moving. The cheese sauce looks very small in comparison to my spaghetti. In order to make it more, I'm gonna add milk and then more cheese, okay? I do love a good cheese. Ooh, child. Add some more cheese. You know what? Just add it all. Just add it all. Alright, I'm gonna put our spaghetti in there properly now because you can see it dropping. Alright, let's season up our sauce a little bit. We're gonna add some sodium chloride, also known as salt. We're gonna add some garlic powder, a little bit of chili powder. And then you wanna mix it in again. Oh, look at that. That's what you call cheese sauce, look. Ooh. Give it a little taste. Here's where you clap for yourself. If that tastes nice, give yourself a round of applause. You know, be your biggest fan. Honestly, that's what it's all about. So the cheese sauce is done. While the chicken's frying, we're gonna make the tomato sauce. Okay? Alright, to fry this chicken, all you're really gonna need is some oil. Not too much because your heart arteries, alright? Don't wanna clog them. Oil's hot, let's add our chicken. Right, while the chicken is frying up, let's make the tomato sauce. So here again, we need to add some oil, just a little bit. I was gonna chop up onions, but I can't be asked. All right, spaghetti done. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Here we go. Here we go. Now is drain the pasta so that it doesn't get sticky and all clumped and nasty and waste everyone's time. Let's season our tomatoes. Let's add salt, chili flakes, a Maggi cube, all-purpose seasoning. Give that a mix, let that simmer. So I'm going to turn that off. Everything is officially done. We need to combine it. Also guys, what you want to do is heat your oven to 250 degrees Celsius, our lucky numbers, so that we can put the spaghetti thing in the oven, okay? It's 250, okay? Yeah, I don't know if you got that, but we're putting it for 250 Celsius degrees for 20 minutes. That's what we're gonna do. But before we even get to that, everything is done now, so we're gonna combine it and then we're gonna cook it, okay? Spaghetti. First, we're gonna add our chicken. It's actually so hard to do with a ring right in front of me. It's like you're just in my way. Gosh, move, guys.
Got it!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. Take it back. To attack me. Alright, let's go again. So, I'm scared now. I'm traumatized. There you go. But save one for yourself so you can eat it when no one's looking, okay? We're gonna add our tomatoes. It's a bit too hot to handle, just like me. Okay, give it that a little mix. Last but not least, we're gonna add our absolute favorite thing ever in the world, the cheese sauce. Look at that go. Don't add it all at one go, yeah? Because you need to spread it. I mean, you need to mix it, sorry. I should spread it and mix it. That sounds so yummy. My goodness. And cool thing is, if you don't finish all this cheese sauce, you can use it for other recipes like bootleg mac and cheese. This isn't how we make the real deal. Lasagna, pasta bake, but I'm gonna use it all because the cheesier, the better. Okay, everything is cooked, so give it a little taste, just like artists admire your work. You are Picasso in this kitchen. If it needs anything extra, now's a good time to add it because once you bake it, it's baked in. I think I'm gonna add some more sodium chloride and I think I'll add some black pepper and then we're good to go. One more taste test for the road. We're good, we're done. We're done. Now what you want to do is take your mum's favourite casserole dish, put it all inside and pop it in the oven for 20 minutes, alright? Alright. Okay, so here it is in the casserole bowl before it enters the oven. I like to add some colour, so I'm going to add some oregano on top. We pop it in for 20 minutes and then we're done. We're ready to eat, okay? Now into the oven we go. Okay guys, so here is my spaghetti, chicken, cheesy casserole thing, whatever I called it in the start, that's what this is. And honestly, I have to say, let's look at the, wow. That was about to go down then. Okay, so that has been Chefe's kitchen. That was like a cheesy spaghetti, chicken, casserole, mac and cheese, spaghetti and cheese, spag and cheese, Ooh, spag and cheese and chicken. Oh my gosh. I should really think of the name before I start doing this video. That was it. It was really quick and easy, honestly. So yeah, no reason for you guys to be eating like peasants. I made it from the top of my head. This is from scratch. God. If you guys enjoyed this video, I reached 150 subscribers and I'm really excited about that. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. Everyone's so nice and so supportive. I could cry. Look, I'm actually, my cheeks are actually hurting already. I'll keep doing videos as long as you want me to or whatever. I'm still gonna be here. You can't get rid of me.
I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Remember, eat well, eat healthy, and eat right. See you later.